Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Job Science. So the purpose of this channel is to bring the latest jobs daily. So today the latest jobs are from Saudi Arabia. So all of them are local jobs, and so let's go through the list of the jobs which I am going to discuss with you today. So first of all, plant manager jobs in Abu Nayan Holding Company, Daman. I'm going to discuss it later. PYP, female teachers and other staff needed. Radwa International School, Medina. Corporate recruitment manager at Maghribi Hospital. Dental consultant, prosthodontist. These are the jobs which are present in my video today. So if you are watching my video for the first time, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well and select all from it. So as YouTube can give you an information about all of my uploaded videos. So let's start with the details. So I'm going to start with the detail of the very first job, which was of plant manager jobs in Abu Nayan Holding Company, Daman. Mr. Abu Nayan, Abdullah Abu Nayan, a very famous person in Saudi Arabia, who has bring the latest technologies to reduce the scarcity of water and power in Saudi Arabia. So he's a very big name in Saudi Arabia. You must have an idea about him and his company as well. So the company is basically Abu Nayan Holding Company, and it is located in Dammam. And basically, what they are interested in a person who has skills of strategic planning and operational excellence, deploying continuous improvement to drive cost, quality, competitiveness, and increase customer satisfaction by advocating ABC's ME's core values. This is very important to note in their role purpose. What I like about them, that they prefer or they prioritize the thing safety first. Not only the safety of himself, but the safety of the company and safety of the workers, other workers as well. So this is very, very healthy attitude of a company towards their worker. Then the next thing, they want passion for growth. So every build it up, and every established operational company must have a team of the people who has a passion for the growth of the company and commitment to the excellence. Means whatever they do at the top of the list and display professionalism. So if a person having the passion for the growth of the company and he has a commitment for the excellence as well, then he must have a professional attitude towards the company and his work as well. And obviously integrity and deliver solutions and teamwork. And without teamwork, all of these things are nothing. Then the responsibilities, basically what they want to see in their employee is full responsibility for the safe and efficient operation of the plant, which includes non-ionic surfactant reactors and blending. Obviously, those who are working with the chemicals must know the things, non-ionic surfactant reactor and blending, specific apparatus and equipment. So maintain and improve companies' overall safety programs to ensure OSHA compliance for a safe and injury-free work environment. I've already told you they are focusing on very safe working and a safe environment for the company and for the employees as well. Then establish a cross-training matrix to ensure 100% operations coverage during iteration and or absences. Then implement KPIs and matrix to understand, measure, and improvement current and new processes. He must have an idea of all of the units using in the company to check and balance, to keep check and balance on the company things. Then improve existing ERP system utilizing to advance operational efficiencies and development of the plant for the development, maintenance, and proper execution of the plant. This is ERP is basically for the proper execution of the the chemical plant. Prepare and manage to annual planned budget, and along with all those things he has to manage and prepare the annual budget of the company as well. This is very important to note, that along with all those things he has to manage the budget. So work and communicate with the seniors, demonstrate team leadership. This is very important, and he must know the communication tools like negotiation, motivation, conflict resolution. Not only the knowing of these terms, but also how to apply these terms and where to apply these terms. It is very important to note. So they want a person who have a who is basically a well-versed person. Be an effective change agent that is highly result oriented and technically nimble. Complete any project or request from leadership as directed. The knowledge of production processes utilizing oxides and requisite safety considerations. Dot, Lean, Six Sigma. So if you are interested, please take the screenshots from the slides. And then knowledge, skills, and abilities. What they want from the person's proven leadership, management abilities, thorough knowledge and understanding of and skill applying and conforming to environmental safety and health policies, procedures, guidelines, and regulations. They have to make some SOPs to work in a specific area, in different areas of the company as well. Then other skills and abilities are skill in motivating others and driving results, excellent prioritization, then excellent coaching, decision making, problem resolution skills, thorough knowledge of business operations, and competency, people development and learning. So these were the knowledge and skills. Now education. Now let's talk something about the experience and education. So they want an experience of 10 years of relevant experience with at least 5 years in leadership role with demonstrated results in a chemical manufacturing or chemical blending environment. So they want a person who is not only a well-versed person, but well known everything, known to him about all of the things, about the chemicals, about oil and gas, So, and he is working in a status of leadership as well. Means he must be already doing some manager kind of job as well. Then bachelor's degree in engineering with chemical manufacturing background or a related technical field, MBA, a plus. Then experience in polyol and polyurethane systems preferred, means related to chemicals. Effective written and verbal communication skills, interpersonal skills, effective project management and advanced proficiency with Microsoft Office programs, SAP and PSM, all related to the, specifically to the chemicals related company. Then experience working in an ISO 9001 lean, total quality management, continuous improvement environment. So these what they want in their related person. Then physical demands. Now they, by the way, this is a very good thing that they have mentioned all of the things very clearly. This is physical demands. Physical demands means how much physically he has to involve in the job. So he physically, the crux of the thing is he must be physically fit. So the physical demands described here are representative of those that must be met by an employee to successfully perform the essential functions of this job. So they are feeling nothing bad about it, that they think a person should know what kind of abilities he must have. So while performing the duties of this job, the employee is regularly required to talk or hear. So he has to talk and he has to hear. So the employee frequently is required to stand, walk, sit, often for long periods at a time, and often outside through weather typical during all season in Saudi Arabia, So the employee may be required to be fitted for and wear a respirator, and the employee frequently is required to use hands to finger handle or touch and reach with hands and arms. This is very, very beautiful. I must appreciate this, that they have mentioned everything. They are not cheating on you. This is very important. So if you are interested and you have 10 years experience as well, and you want to become a part of the Bunayan Holding Company, so it's a very good chance. And you can apply. So seniority level is this industry, oil and energy, employment is full-time. And if you are interested, please WhatsApp your CV. Here is the number, and below this there is their postal address as well. Then is PYP female teachers and other staff needed, Radwa International School, Medina. So there is an international school in Medina. So they want a number of teachers there. So all those who are interested in teaching and who are living in Saudi Arabia as well, so must apply for this job or can apply for this job. So the very first job is of an assets accountant. So they want a male person for this. Then graphic designer, they want both male and females. Physics teacher के लिए say they want a male teacher. Mathematics teacher, they want a male teacher for grade 4 to 8. PYP classes means primary class teachers. जो primary class teachers they are needed, and they too are females. Then a computer teacher, but the person should be male. English teacher, so both male and female can apply for this English job. Then the qualifications, so the priority is for Saudis. So once again, as I've already told you, that these are local jobs. So basically the jobs are for Saudi nationals, but if they are flexible, they can obviously give a chance to other nationalities as well, but they must have a transferable ikama for non-Saudis. This is very important. I have always told you that you must have a legal status there if you want to work in a prestigious field. So fluency in English, minimum 3 years of work experience in international schools, at least 3 years experience in asset and procurement management for the accountant position. So if you are applying for the accountant position, so you must have at least 3 years experience in asset and procurement management. And if you are applying for the accountant position, so account management, you must have 3 experience as well. For the graphic designer, the experience for creative ability. And for the graphic designer job, other relevant experience in photography and montage is also needed. So if you are interested and you want to teach at in this international school in Medina, and you want to apply, so send your CV at the given email address, and they have given you the the postal address as well. So apply for this. The next job is corporate recruitment manager at Maghrabi Hospital. So this is a job in hospital. So the ideal candidate will exhibit high standards, excellent communication skills, and have an ability to take initiatives and prioritize daily tasks. This is very important to note that every job which are going to pay you in a good way, so they want a person who is confident, and anyone who is confident have high standards. This is very important. I believe in this thing that whenever you are confident, and your confidence is basically on your knowledge, if your confidence is about your knowledge, then you always have good communication skills, you always have a good passion for the work, you always take the initiatives, you always prioritize your the things which for which you are responsible. This I always notice in my experience. So a strong ability to take charge and meet tight deadlines will ensure your success in this multifaceted role. And the responsibilities handle and coordinate active calendars, schedule and confirm the meetings, ensure file organization based on office protocol. So he has to do all of the things: scheduling, confirming the meetings, file organization, provide ad hoc support around office as needed, and whatever other tasks they have assigned, they are giving to you, you have to do it. Then the corporate recruitment manager at Maghrabi hospitals is what type of qualifications they are needed. They needed a person which is who is bachelor's, who has a bachelor's degree, minimum 2 years experience in a relevant with a relevant experience, fluent English, based in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, transferable sponsorship, strong interpersonal customer service and communication skills, ability to multitask, proficient in Microsoft Office suite, and seniority is entry level, industry hospital hospital and healthcare. Employment type is full time. So other things are which they need. I have already mentioned all these things that they are interested in. The person should be fluent in English, customer services, communication, Microsoft Office, sponsorship. You must have a sponsorship as well. Advertising, protocol, high degree of initiatives, calendars, skilled multitasker, bachelor's degree of education. This is what is provided. They have given on the job poster. Then how to apply? So if you want to apply and you want to get that job, so they have given you the address, your phone number, and their fax and email address as well. So you can apply by any means. You can apply by any means. A dental consultant, prosthodontist. So last job is of about dental consultant, prosthodontist. Company name is Maghribi Hospital, the same hospital, and they want a person who is a dentist, So qualification needed: PhD, Master, Saudi Board degree in dental, based in Riyadh, valid Saudi MOH license, transferable sponsorship. So the person should be PhD or Masters in Saudi Board degree, according to them, and they must have a related dental degree. It means, and so but the person should be living in Riyadh, and he must have a Ministry of Health license. He must have a license from the Ministry of Health as well, that he is a practicing dentition. So transferable sponsorship and seniority level: associate, industry, hospital, employment full time hai. Or if you are interested, so you have to send your your CV at the given email address. So it is my last job today. So I thank you all for patience listening. So if you are interested in knowing about other jobs, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well. And take care of yourself. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.